Hey guys, so today we're going to meet up with my friends. So we're going to see you guys for a while. So today we're not going to use my car. We're going to use Nico's car.
Ano kitang work ethics din no?
Hi! Kuya Sam, Kuya Dennis.
Happy birthday, Sam!
Ay! Palitan lang na to, Ugwidya si Kuya Sam. Sige, sige. So bibila namin ng sak si Kuya Sam.
Si Kuya Dennis po. Ako na lang sa isa. Si Orkari Black.
Pwede.
Handa.
So we're going to buy for them. Para match sila. Actually, ang idea is tungod ng generous nga wala siya medyas. His favorite things.
Gummy bear.
Nico's favorite thing sa konbini. Sadya, family chicken and
Pero
something.
isa niya siya paano famous ni na chicken na pasok po sa pang lasang Pinoy.
Family chiki, supremacy. My favorite, tuna mayonnaise and family chicken combination. This is going to be my lunch for today. Yeah. Then family chicken. Ah. Natag na.
Dito sa ano
Perfect
sa
combination. We're already here at the Mito station.
Hi! What's up?
About Trump. Nihon ni sunderu kedo.
おー、日本語上手。す
そう
ごいね。話すよね、インスタグラム。
Vlogging もしてる。
ボーイズダンスモードで。
Performers.
Thank you.
Yeah. KRFT という名前ですか？あ、クラフト。クラフトのフミヤですか？
陶器です。
あ、トキ。あ、すみません。ごめんなさい。
インスタグラムは。
あ、はい、インスタグラムやってます。は
ありがとうございます。
い。だけど後でフォローしますね。今、ブロギングしてるから。はい。
Ano si Donald?
Yeah, and Gongcha.
And McDonald.
Yes.
Lam-lam ang mga kids.
Diba?
Yo guys! Welcome to Manila vlog. Welcome to Japan!
Hello.
안녕하세요.
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 We're here at
Andito kami Korea.
Korea. So this is a school before. This is where the teachers kind of like train. We're here in Mito Castle, Sumiyagura Corner Tower. Yeah, it's at the peak season, which is actually really good because if you're going to go here during peak season, I bet it's gonna be like a disaster kasi madaming tao. But today we're kind of like lucky because look at the amount of people going in here. It's not too busy. But I think for the view, I think the view is going to be better if it's during autumn season. But since autumn season is finally over, wala na masyadong yellow leaves and red leaves over here. But which is kind of like my good and bad side. It's good kasi wala masyadong tao, but kind of bad kasi wala nang masyadong magandang view. But it's opening hours is 9:30 to 4 o'clock. So this is the view. We're just walking down this long bamboo path. But I don't think this is an authentic bamboo. I think this is just a plastic for sure, 100%. I don't know if it's real bamboo or not, but it looks like real bamboo. That I don't know.
Factory made.
Yeah.
Artificial na siya na.
Yeah, artificial.
Resin type siya na.
Yeah. Yeah. Nico said it's resin type. Diba? So we need to walk 350 meters just to get there. And then one thing I like about walking long distance dito sa Japan is they have chairs for the elderly, just in case they got tired. Just in case they got tired, they have a couple of chairs. But I don't think it's really too super long because it's just 350 meters. But who knows, diba? Kasi, diba, pag maglalakad yung mga matatanda, baka nga naman they will feel a little bit exhausted na kaagad. But the thing is, marami siyang chairs sa pathway here, there, it's everywhere. It's so cute. The aesthetic is really giving. Super maganda siya tignan. Yeah. Actually, this is not how it actually looks like from before, but they just refurnish it. Oh, that's the castle. It looks cute.
Ito na yung castle.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Pataas man eh. Murang nag-ano, kabantay din sila sa mga kalaban.
Just a guardhouse. So this is just a guardhouse. But there's actually a history in here, so if you guys want to read it, you can actually. So I'm gonna read it for you anyway. So these three granites are the foundation cornerstones found in the excavation of Nino Maros Sumigagura. As you can see, this is molded flat to make it easier to put the pillars on. What pillars? Imagine finding. Yeah, wala. I think we're not supposed to put to wear the shoes, kuya. Ah, kawaii, cute. So Tanjiro's here. Oh no, no, I didn't touch it. So what tinay? So what tinay? Tabun. Kaze. I'm just super nervous because I don't want to cause a scene. Everything is in Japanese, but actually, this is the refurbished version of the temple, so that's it. If you want to visit the site or search, actually maganda siya. So this was just recently built, 2009. They just repaired this location to make it as a castle. But this is not the original thing. This is what they used. actually, what I really love is that the design is super intricate and super maganda. It's very detailed. We're actually here in the secondhand store because Tia's husband's gonna buy some stuffs here. So we stopped by here in the second street stores. So I also want to buy some stuffs here for myself. But it's going to be a bit of like cute. So here you can buy some stuffs. Like not so expensive stuffs, but maganda pa yung quality niya. Very catchy. I like this one, but maybe the color is not really my style. Like this rodeo crowns. I'm actually looking for like this type of like clothing, yung hindi masyado madaming ganito. Yung not so furry. Because I have an asthma and I can really wear something that's super furry. I can only wear warm clothes like this. Something that doesn't really have a fur. It's rodeo crowns, but it's kind of like cheap for only 900 yen. It's only 900 yen. Masyado siyang cheap for something that I can personally wear. Yeah. I can't wear furry stuffs like this. I am actually looking for stuffs na maganda pero hindi furry. And gusto ko kasi nang hindi siya fit. So maybe this one is actually also really good. Pero small size. Gusto ko ng medium size. Because medium size is not really super fit sa akin. They also have a bunch of pants here. Warm pants. Maganda din mga pants. It's actually really good. Winter season special something. They have some trousers. Warm trousers, but I don't really like something. Maganda siya actually. It has a bunch of colors. What I really love is that second street arrangement is by color, rainbow. So you know. They also have shoes and other stuffs. Then maganda din because they have coats. Yeah. But actually I'm not gonna buy my own clothes. Because I already have enough sa bahay. Stuffs here. They also have winter clothes and dresses here. So super ganda niya. And it's 50% off kapag dinala mo siya sa cashier. Reggie de Koju Pasanto. Waribiki. And expensive watches. And even their glasses. Eyeglass nila sobrang mahal. It's quite expensive. I don't wear expensive stuffs or glasses. Imagine 104,390 yen for a watch. Which is quite a little bit of expensive, but I think that's fine. Then they also have like expensive bags. This one is quite cheap for Prada though. Their Prada bags only cost like Ichimangurai. but that's so expensive. They also have Louis Vuitton. And Gucci. Oh, cute. Marc Jacobs bag. Ah, this one looks super cute. But pricey at the same time. Ay. This one has a price tag on it. Cole Haan. This bag. I don't know if it's a famous like brand, but it's Cole Haan. It still has a tag on it. It costs 14,190 yen. It's still brand new pa din. Bag section. Ah, this one looks so cute for only 200 yen. Bento bag. Lagayan ng mga lunchbox. Super cute. It looks brand new. How about this? This one is also a bento bag for only 700 yen. Japanese brand. These are all second-hand stuffs, but it still looks super new. You have Joe Malone here. I like male sweaters and jackets. Now we're done with the clothes. We also have some baby stuffs here, so it's really actually maganda. Because if you're living in the city, madami talaga siya mga second-hand na mga pang babies. Look, just look at this, super cute. 200 yen. I don't know what's this. And socks, 400 yen. They have a bunch of cute stuffs for babies. Anyway, this is super bango. This type of perfume for a very cheap price can be compared to Joe Malone or like different stuffs. Like, it's not too expensive, but it smells really good. I can recommend this Savon Flora Massimoli. It's not too expensive, but it smells super duper good. I love it. You can use it daily. It's only 698 yen. It comes with different scents. But I can really recommend. What I'm looking for here is this one. You can buy this for pasalubong. Very Japanese pasalubong. Like for example, this one for only 100 yen. Looks so cute. Tabeko Dobutsu kids piece for only 100 yen. I think I'm gonna buy this one. You also have Mickey Mouse bag. Pang Disney. Love it. I'm back here in iJuice to try some of the fresh juices for only 350 yen. Then you can get freshly squeezed juice that I really like. 350 yen. It's like 1 cup. My hand is super busy. Yeah, trying it. Freshly squeezed juice from iJuice. This orange. We're already down near sa arcade shop. Arcade. The search for Patrick SIM card. Char. Sa imong sapatos, Pat, wala po sa mga liston. Ana, good.